India's first Chief of Defence Staff, General Bipin Rawat, aged 63, died along with his wife and 11 others on 8th December in a chopper crash in Tamil Nadu. "14 passengers, including General Bipin Rawat, his wife Madhulika Rawat, and other defence personnel were on board the Air Force's Mi-17 V5 helicopter, which was headed to Defence Services Staff College, Wellington, where General Rawat was scheduled to give a lecture on the same afternoon of the crash. CDS General Rawat and his wife's funeral will take place on Friday in Delhi, reported ANI. Their mortal remains are expected to arrive in the national capital in a military plane by Thursday evening. Group Captain Varun Singh is the sole survivor of the helicopter crash and he is being treated for severe burn injuries. Latest reports say he will be airlifted to Bengaluru for further treatment. Defence Minister, while addressing the Parliament today, said the chopper crashed just minutes before reaching its destination in Tamil Nadu's Wellington. The chopper took off at 11:48 am from Sulur Air Base and was reported to be missing around 12:22 pm. The untimely demise of the decorated military officer has sent a wave of shock across the country, with politicians and public figures expressing their grief. Here's a brief timeline of General Rawat's illustrious career. An alumni of Indian Military Academy and National Defence Academy, General Rawat was the first Chief of Defence Staff of India. General Rawat hailed from a family of defence personnel. His father, Lakshman Singh Rawat, rose through the ranks to become the Deputy Chief of Army Staff. With over 4 decades of military service, General Bipin Rawat was known for his vast experience and skills in high-altitude warfare and counter-insurgency ops. He is credited with being instrumental in controlling militancy in Northeast. He also supervised the cross-border counter-insurgency operation in Myanmar in 2015. General Rawat was also part of the planning for the 2016 surgical strike, where Indian Army went across the LOC to destroy Jaish-e-Mohammed terror camps in Balakot in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. A decorated military leader, he was honoured with the Param Vishisht Seva Medal, Uttam Yuddha Seva Medal, Ati Vishisht Seva Medal, Vishisht Seva Medal, Yuddh Seva Medal, and Sena Medal.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.